Hi, I'm Gary. I'm going to show a way that you can get Word working again with EndNote. What I mean is that sometimes when you've been working on a document for a while where you have references from EndNote, you might find that Word or EndNote stop responding. And there's a simple fix that seems to work. So you'll see on the screen at the moment that I have some example text. I have some references that I've inserted from EndNote. The way to resolve this issue is, first of all, click EndNote, or the ribbon in Word itself. And might I say that you need to make sure that EndNote is not running at this time. So you might need to restart your computer if EndNote is totally stuck. Open up your Word document, make sure EndNote is closed. Click the EndNote ribbon in Word. Click Convert Citations and Bibliography and click Convert to Unformatted Citations. And then you'll notice that your citations look something like that. You want to then click Ctrl A or press Ctrl A on your keyboard if you're in Windows. Then Control and the 6 key, and that's above the T and the Y, Control 6. Then the best thing to do is copy everything. So Control C in Windows. Open up a new document, and then Control V to paste everything. You'll notice the references haven't come across. So in the EndNote X9 ribbon again, just click Update Citations and Bibliography. There we go. And I've certainly found that this works really well in stopping the problem where EndNote and Word just stop responding at all, particularly when you have long documents or documents with lots of references in them. Please like this video. Thank you.